Get this clear in your head. You don't need to fit in. You need to find the right people for you. Today, we're going to talk about how to build confidence, overcome insecurities, habits that are destroying your confidence, and how to level up. First thing first, stop caring about what people think. As humans, we want to be liked and respected by others. That's totally healthy. But when you value other people's thinking and opinion, evoke your own, and you change your behavior to reflect what you think other wants to see, you are destroying your confidence. There's one thing you need to understand, okay? You will never be liked by everybody. That's impossible, because 10 people has 10 different perspectives, different likings, different cultures, different environment, different mindset, everything. Don't waste your time and energy on trying to impress or be validated by others, because you are going nowhere. Also, watch out for the people you have around you, the ones you call your friends, the ones you care so much about their opinion. I believe in good and positive people, but sadly, there are also so many bad people that are sad and miserable, and apparently bullying and disrespecting other people makes them feel better, I guess. So if you're not a very confident person yet, this is very dangerous for you. If you focus and consume too much from negative energy, you will keep attracting that same type of energy in your life. Maybe even become like one of them, and trust me, this is gonna drain you. So the other day I went to a cafe for brunch and just to work, and as soon as I stepped in, there was this woman. She was like staring at me, like looking at me super badly and judging my existence, like, who hurt you? An insecure person would maybe feel intimidated by her, would allow her energy to make her feel small and weak, look away, and maybe even sit in another room far from her. Someone conflicted that takes everything personally and is as insecure as the woman, because honestly, somebody that radiates that type of energy, especially if you don't even know the other person, it's probably because she's unhappy with herself and just angry about her life. I don't know. Anyway, so a conflicted person maybe would go to her and ask, what's up? But never be a conflicted person, okay? That's being such a low value person with a zero class. But a confident person, before even letting her energy affect me, I would understand that she is just reflecting her own insecurities, and that whatever she's thinking or saying will harm her more than it will ever harm me. Confident person wouldn't take it personally at all, and if she wants to, she will still sit in the same room without letting her presence affect her at all. There's literally no one else in this world that you're supposed to impress and care about their opinion more than yourself, because at the end of the day, all you got is just yourself, and everything in life is just you versus you. Okay, so instead put that energy to getting to know yourself better and sharpen your personality, so nothing can affect your confidence, because you are sure about who you are and you believe in yourself. So these are some questions you can ask to yourself to get to know yourself better. What do you like? What do you dislike? What is your current mindset? And what is the mindset you want to build? Who are your surroundings? Are you happy around them? What is your dream life, and how are you planning to make that a reality? See, these are the only things you should be caring about. When you master your personality is when you will finally be so confident that you will not try to impress or be liked by others. Nobody will have access to make you doubt yourself, and you won't give a damn about their opinions anymore. Number 2, negative thoughts and talks to yourself. You become what you say and think, and this is for real. Like, watch out for how you speak to yourself and how you think about yourself, because every time you do it, you set your brain to believe it more and more, which will make you attract exactly that to happen in your life. Why do you think you're still insecure? Because you keep criticizing yourself, you keep downgrading yourself, you keep talking badly to yourself. If you constantly say and things like, I'm not good enough, I'm not pretty, I don't deserve this, I don't deserve that, clearly you won't. Look, you need to switch your mindset right now and fix how you treat yourself. You can't attract something that you don't believe in. You need to make your brain act like you already have it. You need to change your habits, and you need to give the same energy that you are trying to receive. For example, you want that summer body, but you keep eating unhealthy and not moving at all. It doesn't matter how much you believe and say it. If you don't work mentally and physically towards it, it won't happen. So same with confidence. Obviously, it's not going to happen magically overnight. You need to work and you need to change your habits in your daily life. The key is consistency for everything in life. So to fix your mindset, start saying to yourself things like this: I am good enough. I am so pretty. I deserve love. I deserve wealth. I deserve to be happy. I am confident. I love myself. I can achieve anything I desire. At the beginning, you will feel uncomfortable and that you're just being fake, but trust me, eventually you will get used to those words. You will start to believe it and you will trick your brain to act like you actually are that person until you will become that person for real. Something that can help you are affirmations. There are thousands of videos and audios on YouTube, Spotify, and other platforms that you can listen to or read it out loud, looking yourself into the mirror. I do that every morning, so my mindset is positive, peaceful, and protected during the whole day. You can also use it at night. This is optional. Me, I use it because I'm a very overthinking person and sometimes I have like bad sleeps and trouble sleeping. So listening to positive and abundant affirmations before going to sleep was literally a game changer for me. I sleep and rest better. I don't get headaches and I don't have like bad nightmares because I didn't go to sleep with bad thoughts. Not only to yourself, but also don't be negative with other people, because thinking negatively and judging other people will definitely not boost your confidence. In fact, it's gonna make you even more insecure. It will make you look mean and definitely not friendly, like that woman in the cafe. When you're the one that's being judged and talked badly to, well, after watching this video and putting everything on practice, you will be so confident. You won't give a damn about their opinion because you will learn to protect your energy. You will remember that they're just projecting their own insecurities and you will not take it as a personal attack. And for those that do say positive things to you and give you compliments, take it and be grateful, okay? If they say you're beautiful and you answer with, well, I think I'm ugly, first of all, that energy and that attitude is making you uglier. Like, that will make you uglier, because if you act and think ugly, definitely people won't think that you are confident. Next thing is social media. And social media has the power to absolutely destroy you if you don't act smart on it. It's going to make you compare yourself and your life with your friends, random people that you don't even know, celebrities, and even fake profiles. And most of the things that you see, it's not even real or so different from their real lives, but it will make you hate yourself, jealous, and think that your life is so much worse than theirs. But look, people only post the good things in social media, okay? Like, I'm sure you do, and I do too. Trust me, it's been a few months I'm traveling in South Asia, and this is literally a dream come true. It was in my vision board, okay? So I'm having great experiences I'm so grateful for. But clearly, there are also bad things about it, and I'm moving from apartments to apartments. I'm having constantly jet lag, bad sleeps, but all I post on social media is me having my best life. One day in Bangkok, working from the tallest building. One day in Vietnam with my coconut water. But behind the scene, it's 40 degrees. I feel sick. I slept only 4 hours, and that same day I cried so much because I was super stressed. But why would I expose the bad sides, or why would I expose my problems or give too many details about my personal life? Like, nobody cares about your problems. Nobody will feel sorry for you and nobody will come to fix them for you. In fact, they will judge and laugh at you. So the more private you are, the more you protect your energy, the more powerful you become, and the less accessible for the internet to affect and destroy your peace of mind and self-love. So stop comparing yourself on social media and live your own reality. You cannot allow others' life to destroy your confidence. And remember, you have the control to put out what you want the world to see, and also you have the control to choose what you want to see. Use social media as a tool to grow, evolve, and only consume things that are positive and inspiring for you, your confidence, and your mindset. I want you to go check your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, any platform you use, and analyze what are you consuming. Is it positive? Is it making you evolve? How do you feel when you scroll? You feel angry, sad, and insecure, or happy and motivated and inspired? Because you might think it's just social media, but when you scroll on it every day for I don't know how many hours, and especially in the morning when you just woke up and you make your brain already retain all that information and energy that you're consuming, for the whole day you will be feeling and acting like the same energy your brain has retained. So unfollow, block, get rid of all those friends, celebrities, people that you don't even know that you follow, that doesn't make you feel good about yourself and is not aligned with the person you want to become. Replace it with the ones that motivates you, inspires you, and helps you to become a better version of yourself and your best self. Last but very important, be authentic, be yourself. Tell me, why are you trying to be someone else? How is that making you love and care about yourself more? What's the point on being fake all day but then going home and not even recognizing yourself because you're so consumed and focused on trying to fit in with the crowd that you've completely lost yourself in the process, and now you don't even know how you feel, how you think, and what do you actually like. I know sometimes it's hard to be yourself because you're scared maybe that people might judge you or not like you, but so what? What matters is that you like yourself, you are proud of who you are, how you think, and that you know how much you're worth. So what if 5 people hate you for who you are and how you think? Move on, because now you know that they are not aligned with you and they cannot be your friends. There's gonna be other 5 people that will like you because they also think the same way. So now you know that they will love you for who you really are and perhaps become good friends. Get this clear in your head. You don't need to fit in. You need to find the right people for you. It's better to feel free and confident in being yourself than just follow the crowd and not even enjoy living. That's exhausting. So be authentic and be yourself wherever you go and do whatever you feel at the moment. You want to grab an ice cream alone? Do it. You want to record yourself at the gym? Do it. You want to dance in the elevator? Do it, and stop caring if people will like you or not. They are strangers. You will probably never ever see them again, and they as well will forget about your existence in like 5 minutes. So whether they like you or not, they judge you or not, it shouldn't condition you to be yourself. And that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope this boosted your confidence. I hope you're gonna put this in practice so you can level up from today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye.